Hey everyone, I'm Amna and welcome to my brand new JavaScript algorithm series. I have started this series to help boost your JavaScript and logics and concepts. Whether you are a beginner preparing for interviews or just want to sharpen your skills, we will go step by step through some of the most important and commonly asked algorithm problems. So I don't think so we need to waste time installing the any fancy software or anything coding editor. And if you have already coding editor, then you can do the code on this. I commonly use the Windsurf and the VS Code for my coding. For now, I am using the CodePen. You just go to the browser and search for the codepen.io. I will also share the link of this CodePen in my description. So just start with the code. The first algorithm, as I have mentioned in the command line, find the longest word in a in a sentence. This is very basic and a simple algorithm that we will follow. For example, if we have a sentence like, okay, I love programming. I'm just giving a simple example. So in this sentence, the programming is the longest word. So output will be the programming. Okay, and the next example you can take the very common example on the internet, the lazy dog. I didn't remember the exact line. The lazy fox jumped over the dog. I think something like that. Jumped over the dog. So in this example, the jumped is the longest word in this sentence. So here I will share the two versions we can solve this algorithm. The first will be the split method and with the for of loop. Okay, the version 1, it will with split method of array in the JavaScript and for of loop. Okay, so let's write a function. You can name it anything you want. Pass a string in this function. First we need to split out our sentence that we will pass in this function. Okay, sentence will be like this. So const words equal to sentence. I will give it name a sentence. Okay, sentence dot split. I will split with the space. So it will print out like this. It will give me an array of words. It will split each word with the space. I love. Okay, this will give me array like this. After that, I have to iterate over the each word and find out which word is greater than the in the sentence. So I will apply a for loop. Let word of words. Now I will apply the condition. If word dot length greater than the longest. Oh, sorry, I have not declared any temp variable in which I will store the longest word that I will find out in this loop when I will iterate over this array. So declare the variable named as longest. Initialize with the empty string first. After that, if when you are comparing it with the loop words dot length. For now, longest dot length is the 0 because it is initialized with the empty string. Okay, if word is longest from the longest variable, then we have to store the word in our longest variable and have to just return this. Okay, now that's it. Now after the end of the loop, when loop will be end, we will find out the our longest word from this array of words. So just return the longest variable. That's it. Just now console. Okay, you seen this? I will call this function in the console so I can see the output in here. Okay, I will pass this sentence and let's see what it will be there. Okay, so you can see it is giving me jump. And if I will pass this sentence, I love programming, in this sentence, what will be the output? Output should be the programming. So let's see. So output is the programming. So now the next version 2 is I'm copying this function so not to waste our time. In version 2, we will just first split out our sentence with the space. After that, I will use a reduce function of array instead of the for of loop. I will remove this code. This line of code will be converted to the only one line of code with the reduce function of array. Just return words dot reduce it will take a callback. Okay, first value will be the initial value, second value will be the current value that will be processed. So we will compare if initial value, if current value dot length greater than initial value dot length, I will use return operator, then return the current value, else you can return the initial value. After that, pass the dependency as empty. If I will console it and will pass the same prompt which I was passing in the version 1, I will add it a string to distinguish between both outputs, version 2 output. Okay, in longest to word, let's copy this. Okay, you can see here the first version also giving the programming word and the second is also giving the programming. So both are giving the same output, but there is a different versions of solving this algorithm. The first was of the for of loop and the split method, and the second was with the reduce function. That is a shorter way to solve this algorithm. So for today that's all. So in the next video we will see the palindrome algorithm, which is also a very simple and basic algorithm. So let's see.